When you are running 20 kilometers a day, when you are going for camps for 3 nights, 4 days in the forest with rifles and those camp dress, and you are swimming, you're doing relay races, you are doing 100 sit-ups, 100 push-ups every day. It doesn't happen like that. You're a human. Your parents have made you study. They have educated you. You have your own dreams. You have your own wings. Please find them and fly. आप पैसे कहीं से कमा के कहीं डाल दो के समझ आता है, बट अगर आपके आइडिया में कोई बिलीव करता है, they are validating your idea, and especially government of India, they like your idea and they are ready to invest in your idea.
तो आइडिया में कुछ तो दम है.
आइडिया में कुछ तो दम है.
I've seen parents who have given everything to
Yes.
send their kids abroad,
Yes.
and when the kids get settled down abroad,
Yes.
they abandon that parents.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, absolutely.
They never return.
Absolutely.
They never look back.
Absolutely.
Very disheartening
Yes,
stories.
yes.
Right.
And
so जिस पेरेंट्स ने अपनी पूरी जिंदगी सैक्रिफाइस की,
हाँ जी,
जवानी सैक्रिफाइस
हाँ
की.
जी. मेरे को तो 9 to 5 जॉब करने की आदत थी. फॉर अ किड इट वाज 24/7 जॉब फॉर मी, एंड बट पीपल एक्सपेक्ट यू. नाउ यू आर अ मॉम. अब आप में एक अलग ही टाइप के इमोशंस आ जाएंगे. मैं डेटिंग ऐप भी यूज करती थी. टिंडर नाम का एक डेटिंग ऐप आया था उस टाइम पे. तो लॉट ऑफ पीपल यूज टू जज मी फॉर दिस, एंड दे वुड से मैम आप मैरिड हो,
Tinder में
एंड आई
क्यों?
यूज्ड टू से मैरिड सो व्हाट.
So what?
हाँ, so that came from there, that incident.
मैरिज
सान
मतलब
है.
सब सोचते हैं कि केज में
खत्म
डाल दो.
हो चुका है.
केज में डाल
हाँ,
दो.
हाँ.
You are now you are not a lion
not
or
a-
tigress
yeah,
anymore.
yeah.
अगर हो भी तो केज में
तो
रहो
केज
भाई.
में रहो.
जंगल में रहने का आपका
Exactly.
कोई हक नहीं है.
Exactly.
Welcome back to My Career, My Choice podcast, where every episode is a master class in itself. My today's guest is itself a powerhouse, a woman who wears many hats but still dazzle it all. She has 8 years of incredible traction working with Indian Coast Guard, right? She's an author of not one book, not 2 books, but 3 incredible books. She's a motivational speaker, she's a life coach, and don't forget, she's also Mrs. India Photogenic and Mrs. India Queen of Substance 2018. Vama Gaur, welcome to My Career, My Choice podcast. What an incredible journey.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Very inspirational. कैसे किया? मेरा पहला सवाल आपसे. How? So much.
Okay, so I'll let you know my story. When I was a kid, I am basically an Air Force kid. And when I was young, I remember I have changed almost 22 schools and almost changed 15 places with my parents. मैंने कभी बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स एक साथ नहीं देखे हैं. I've changed almost good about 500 friends till date.
Okay.
So I don't have any friend circle.
Because transferable job.
Yes, it was a transferable job.
Right.
So I have always been someone who was pretty observant. I was not much of a talker and
Shy girl.
Shy girl, very introvert. And
Right.
my lot of aunties would come to my mama and say, "Beta, इनको थोड़ा सा बात कराओ सोनाली. She's not talking. There's something wrong with her." So I was a very introvert person by nature, and even though being an observant person, when I went to college, that was the time when I actually realized what life is all about. You know why? Because I did not clear any exam after my college. वो campus placements के लिए जब लोग आते हैं, तब तक I used to feel I am a bond. But the moment the exam के लिए campus placements के लिए IT companies आई, I couldn't clear anything.
Okay.
So all hell broke loose for me tab, and I realized I'm nothing. I'm a zero.
Zero से तो शुरुआत
Zero
होता है.
से शुरुआत होती है. At least
Right.
I realized and accepted I'm a
Right.
zero.
Right. What course you have done in your college days?
I've done my BTech in
BTech.
IT. Yes.
IT, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
And मुझे कभी ऐसा नहीं था कि I want to become an IT engineer, I want to become a Fauji, or I want to become an author.
No, फौजी
Nothing like
फैमिली
that.
से तो आप बिलोंग करते हो.
Yes,
तो
but
IT
then
क्या parental influence था or that's your choice?
No, it was never my choice. I always wanted to join the corporate.
Right.
But I served the corporate for good about 6 months. 6 months and मुझे बैक पेन हो गया. वो सामने स्क्रीन के बैठे बैठे it was very painful for me, and I realized, oh my God, I can't put my entire life in these 4 walls. I don't want to sit in front of a laptop and code the entire, I mean, with all due respect to the IT professionals,
Right.
but I said this is not the life I wanted. So I went to my manager. I told him, sir, I want to resign. And he says, you can't do this. And he had my 12th certificate, I remember, in his tijori.
Okay.
That time tijori.
तिजोरी में रहते
हाँ,
थे.
तिजोरी में रखते थे. So he said, I cannot give it to you. I said, okay, sir, to hell with you. I'm leaving. Bye-bye.
Okay.
And that was after 6 months, I saw at 4 p.m. the sunset.
Okay.
And I remember that so vividly because that was what I wanted. I had an ice cream. I got back home. I told my parents, Mama, I've resigned and I can't do this anymore. They said, ठीक है बेटा वापस आ जाओ, अब कुछ करने को तो है नहीं. After that, I had a very depressing state. You know why? Because I did not know.
Transitional phase.
Yes, not a transitional. I wouldn't say a transitional also.
But
I have
depressional.
pictures. I was very under much depression because I was very ambitious. In my head, I didn't even know how ambitious I am. So I wanted to do something in life but did not know what. That was the time Coast Guard came into picture.
Okay.
We were in Delhi and a friend of mine had gone to take his exams and he said, "ठीक है, you also come, you take your exam." I said, ठीक है. And I cleared those exams without any preparation. Out of almost 6-7 lakh people, I cleared my exams. That was the time when I realized
एक अलग सा जुनून
एक
था.
अलग सा जुनून था.
Right.
And that was the time I realized कि मैं इतने छोटे schools में पढ़ी हूँ. Places like Chabua, places like Assam, जिनका आधा लोगों को पता भी नहीं है.
अच्छा.
And I was not equipped properly. If I equip myself with a lot of education, lot of good schools, lot of good certifications, probably I can do something better than what I'm doing right now. So after Coast Guard, what I did was, work upon myself. I equipped myself with lot of certifications, with lot of courses, and lot of like-minded people whose journey I wanted to follow. And finally, after working for good about 5 years, I wrote books. I had a diploma in
So
training and
you
development.
left the Indian Coast Guard service after working 8
Yes.
years with them?
Yes, I left them after 8 years because somewhere down the line, I wanted to do a lot more. I didn't want to be in the maintenance part,
Right.
Right now, I'm a creator.
Right.
I see myself as a creator when I'm
You're a
creating
born
books.
creator. That was
Yes,
inside you,
yes,
right?
Yes. So I wanted to enhance that skill of mine rather than just maintaining certain protocols and procedures. So yes.
So you got, we are coming back to your author's journey and
Yes,
life.
yes.
But before that, मुझे जो जानना है कि जब आप 8 years का जर्नी था with Indian Coast Guard, so at that point of time, I was reading your bio, you were also with ATS.
Yes, I was an air traffic controller.
ATC,
yes.
right?
Yes.
ATC, right?
ATC.
So as an ATC, and you got married in those
I got
years?
married in 2014.
Okay, and your husband is a pilot.
He's a pilot.
So you are tracking him from the
Yes,
ATC?
yes.
ठीक है?
So what happened was, being in the service, we both met in the service.
Right.
And 2013 we met. He had come for his marathon in Goa.
Okay.
And I was a sports officer, so that's how we connected. And we got married in 2014 finally.
Okay.
And when I was an air traffic controller, he used to fly in the sky and कभी लड़ाई हो जाती थी तो
आप
I used
उधर
to
ही?
be like, आप वहीं रहो. We will talk later. Yeah, so I would never give him landings.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, so for most of the people who don't know what is an air traffic controller, आप कभी airport पे जाओगे, you'll see a huge tower there and बहुत सारे लोग अंदर बैठे रहते हैं. तो
Control करते
my
हैं.
position was there. I would sit in that tower and control the aircraft.
Okay. And then your author journey started.
Yes.
Right? Your first book.
Yeah. So my first book was about heels, boots, and casuals. This book is somewhat my story. I think any girl who would read that book will find a piece of herself in that book.
Right.
You know why? Because it's about a transition from a shy introvert girl to a military officer.
Right.
And I was actually very shy and very introvert, you know, as I told you. But that 6 months of training, what we had in Indian Naval Academy, Kerala, it transitioned me. It
Transformational
transformed me. You know why?
Right.
Because when you are running 20 kilometers a day, when you are going for camps for 3 nights, 4 days in the forest with rifles and, you know, those camp dress, and you are swimming, you're doing relay races, you are doing 100 sit-ups, 100 push-ups every day. And they're
It
actually
breaks you
it
and makes
breaks
you.
and makes you. Yes.
Right.
So that's what happened with me. And that was the time after 6 months I realized that, you know, oh my God, I have so much of fire. I can
So
be a
much of
trailblazer.
potentiality is inside
yes,
you.
Yes.
Never been tested.
Never been
Right.
tested. So that really helped me to find myself.
So the first book came out.
Yes.
And it was a wonderful story. I was just reading the synopsis of the
Yes.
book. Such an incredible story. And as you rightly said, that koi bhi ladki will find a piece
A
of
piece of
story.
her.
Piece of her. in that story.
The best compliment I got from my book was when a 15-year-old girl came to me and said, "Oh my God,
Oh my God, it's my story.
that's my story,
How
and
you
I
know?
want to be there."
How you
I
know?
mean, I felt so good. I said, "Oh my God, a 15-year-old girl is able to relate. Maybe she'll take a piece of it and put it in her life, and, you know, get inspired."
But your second book is also very inspiring.
Yes.
Your second book.
The Mughal Harem. The Mughal Harem is, my parents were least expecting me to write on this subject. And I'm also not a history freak. But I remember in my 6th class, there was this textbook we would read about history, and usme सारे होते थे वो
Mughal Raj and all those
पानीपत
stuff,
and
yeah.
Mughal Harem.
Right.
Mughals Harem की तो बात ही नहीं होती थी. Last में एक chapter होता था, the women in the history of Mughals.
Right.
And I remember only 2 pages. And I said कि ठीक है, चलो इतना ही होता होगा. But then I read this book by The Mughal Harem by K.S. Lal, available on Amazon. And when I was reading through it, I said, oh my God, there's so much to talk about women of the Mughal era.
Right.
And I thought, why not? Let me just write a book in such a way that people are able to read it like a story and know about the Mughal era.
Right.
And that's how I penned it down. And you'll not feel like you are reading history. You know, once you go through that entire
History being one of my favorite subject, but yes, I can now recall.
Yes.
History में हम लोग सिर्फ मेंस के बारे में
men
जानते
के
थे.
बारे में, kings
No-
के बारे में,
no
rulers के
woman,
बारे में.
right, yeah.
But it was never about women. But women had a very big impact on every decision making of the king. And
And their
other लोगों
pains,
को-
their
pains,
sorrow,
their
their
sorrows.
ups and downs have
Yeah.
never been
Yes.
disclosed, never been
Yes,
unfolded,
yes,
right?
Yes, absolutely.
So you got the idea of writing a book
Of
on
writing
that.
a book on that. And that's how
Okay.
I penned it down. And मेरी सबसे बेस्ट बुक अगर मैं बोलती हूँ वो मुगल हारम है टिल नाउ आउट ऑफ द
Okay.
3 books, क्योंकि वो बहुत ही बाय हार्ट लिखी गई थी.
And
एंड
very unique
हिस्टोरिकल
story,
फिक्शन बहुत
very
यूनिक
unique
स्टोरी
story,
है. तो बहुत ही दिल से लिखी गई थी.
Right.
कोई
दिल से
बोलता
तो
है
आप-
कोई बोलता है कि मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही है ना,
हाँ.
लाइक ओके डोंट रीड इट, बट मेरे को मत बताओ कि क्या लिखा है.
third one is more interesting. So as your author journey is progressing, I can see you that you are becoming a protective, a voice of women.
Yes.
Right. Your third book is more interesting.
Yes.
What is the title of the book?
The third book is Married So What.
Married, so what?
So what?
Okay.
So जब मैंने ये किताब लिखी, टाइटल मेरे दिमाग में 2016 से था,
Right.
क्योंकि मेरे साथ एक ऐसा इंसिडेंट हो गया था जिसमें मैं चाहती थी कि मैं इसी पे लिखूंगी.
Right.
एंड मैं एक स्टोरी का वेट कर रही थी.
Right.
एंड वो स्टोरी मुझे जब भी मिली मैंने छाप दी. 2016 में एक ऐसा इंसिडेंट हुआ था जब आई वॉज यूजिंग अ लॉट ऑफ एप्स. मैं डेटिंग ऐप भी यूज़ करती थी. टिंडर नाम का एक डेटिंग ऐप आया था उस टाइम पे. तो लॉट ऑफ पीपल यूज टू जज मी फॉर दिस एंड दे वुड से मैम आप मैरिड हो.
Tinder में
एंड आई
क्यों?
यूज टू से मैरिड सो व्हाट.
So what?
हाँ, so that came from there. That incident, it was stuck to me for quite a long time. And you know, we all are humans. I don't know why people don't understand. हम सब इंसान
मैरिज
हैं.
मतलब सब सोचते हैं कि केज में डाल
खत्म
दो.
हो चुका है.
केज में डाल
हाँ,
दो.
हाँ.
You are now you are not a lion or
not a- yeah,
tigress
yeah,
anymore.
yeah.
अगर हो भी तो केज में
तो
रहो
केज
भाई.
में रहो.
जंगल में रहने का आपका
Exactly.
कोई हक नहीं है.
Exactly.
Right?
And not even चलो dating app तो I'm talking about something like this, but I'm talking about the usual routine also. All of a sudden You want the girl to get up and make tea for everyone, get up and make breakfast for everyone. All of a sudden,
ऐसा लगता है
10
कि
responsibilities
wife
उठा लो.
नहीं, you get a maid.
You get a maid and you get some labor, unpaid labor.
Unpaid labor.
So I said, yeah, why?
Most difficult profession,
Yes,
you know.
yes.
To
And
be a housewife.
Exactly.
That's a very difficult profession.
Exactly.
yeah.
Even for being a mom. मैं तो कहती हूँ कि मेरे सारे professions में सबसे tough था being a mom. Because all of a sudden you switch from having lot of sleep to sleepless nights. From, you know, being there for a person 24/7. मेरे को तो 9 to 5 job करने की आदत थी. For a kid it was 24/7 job for me. And it was tough. And but people expect you. Now you're a mom. अब आप में एक अलग ही टाइप के इमोशंस आ जाएंगे. I'm like, अरे भाई, I'm human, yeah. So yes, these stereotyped जो roles है ना, ये
You want to break that.
I want to break that because
Right.
I have felt it that it needs to be
Broken. And very
doesn't
badly.
need to be there
Very
in the
badly.
society. Yes, where every mom, I've never heard a single mom say, you know, मैं तो बच्चे को उठाती हूँ, मैं थक गई हूँ. No, कितना प्यारा बच्चा है. Even though she's tired, black dark circles हो रखे हैं, सब कुछ. नहीं, बच्चा बहुत अच्छा है. I said, please be true to yourself. Please, if you need sleep, you need sleep. Just accept it. You know, the baby is going to stay. The baby, nothing is happening. But at least don't be, you know, don't be doing bad to yourself. Just be true to yourself. And don't portray that, you know, I am the best mom, but I will sacrifice myself for that. So that sacrifice wala part I don't understand in any relationship, anywhere.
क्यों sacrifice होगा?
क्यों करना है?
क्यों करना है?
It doesn't happen like that. You know, you're a human. Your parents have made you study. They have educated you. You have your own dreams. You have your own wings. Please find them and fly. You're not here to.
Yes, absolutely. Because we have seen that parents devoted their time for
Yeah.
the kids' nourishment
Yes,
and development.
yes.
And after that,
Yes.
that particular kids.
Absolutely. My sister, she's a flyer. She's a pilot. And so many times I tell her when, you know, she wants to go the family way, I tell her, just think, because the moment you go the family way, your flying stops. Are you ready for it? I'm not saying it's bad, but are you ready for it? Because you need to, you will be, you know, medically down. You cannot fly for next 1 year, 2 years, and God knows for how many years. Maybe 4 years. My daughter is 4.5, but still I have to be available at her beck and call.
मेरा एक दूसरा नैरेटिव है जो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहता हूँ बिकॉज आई बीइंग इनटू ओवरसीज एजुकेशन कंसल्टेंसी फॉर लास्ट 22 years I've seen parents who have given everything to
Yes.
send their kids abroad
Yes.
and when the kids get settled down abroad
Yes.
they abandon that parents
Yes.
right
Yes, absolutely.
they never return they
Absolutely.
never look back
Absolutely.
very disheartening
Yes,
stories
yes.
right
And-
so जिस parents ने अपनी पूरी जिंदगी सैक्रिफाइस की
हाँ जी.
जवानी सैक्रिफाइस
हाँ
की
जी.
टू
अब अभिषेक मेरे को
Upbring them.
एक चीज़ पूछनी है इसमें.
Right.
ये बहुत ही ऐसा क्वेश्चन है जो हम देखते हैं. मे बी देयर इज अ जनरेशन गैप और यू कैन से दैट आई वुड नेवर वांट टू सैक्रिफाइस माई सेल्फ इन माई डॉटर्स जर्नी. एंड मैं बहुत ही अच्छे से बोलती हूँ ये चीज़. यू नो, अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल से, यू नो, हैव अ सेकेंड किड और something like that. I say, okay, for the MBA, for her higher education, I need 2 crore, 3 crore down
ये
the line.
एडवाइजर मिल जाता है ना
3 crore
But-
down the line.
हाँ.
Am I ready to shell my happiness and my, what do you say, Javani, as you said,
Jawani, right
for this?
Right.
No, I'm not, because I am here to live my life too. And there's nothing wrong in that. Tomorrow, at 55 years of age, if I want to buy a yacht, I want to buy a yacht. I'm not going to think, मेरी बेटी को
पढ़ाई का
पढ़ाई
खर्चा
खत्म
कौन
नहीं हुई, खर्चा नहीं हो रहा है. तो आई एम मेंटेनिंग एंड बैलेंसिंग माई रिसोर्सेज इन सच अ मैनर. बेटा आप भी करो और मैं भी करूंगी. यू विल नॉट कट मी, आई विल नॉट कट यू. इट्स वेरी सिंपल, इट्स वेरी
simple.
क्लियर.
Your way or highway
Yes. Yes, absolutely. I can't, like, you know, put myself on the table and you eat me, beta. Tum जी लो. No, it doesn't happen. I think every parent should understand this point. There has to be a limit.
their way has to be defined
Yes,
by them it's
yes.
not they
In-
cannot
yes.
cut cross
Yes,
the
in any
ours
relationship,
way, right?
in any
very
relationship.
very important
Even
and
for
ये जो आप बोल रहे थे कुछ देर पहले कि there were people who was advising you have the second kid.
Yeah, yes.
ये क्या मुगल जमाना से advisor है कि because we have seen 16-17 kids right you have written something in your book as well
Yeah,
ठीक है
there were 16-17 kids जो पहले होते
machine
थे.
हाँ, वाइफ नहीं, इट्स अ मशीन.
ओके इवन इफ ओके उस जमाने में 10-15 करोड़ होते होंगे उनके पास, तो MBA नहीं होती होगी, तो मे बी नाउ इट्स नॉट द केस.
Okay, so your author journey I understood, your Indian Coast Guard journey we understood, how you came to that particular
Yeah.
journey, because your family has a
Yes.
Fauji background,
Yes.
right? Now you have an entrepreneur, you are an
Yes.
entrepreneur
Yes.
right now,
Yes.
and I will say solopreneur, right?
Yes.
Innopreneur. So
Yes.
there are so many hats that you are wearing.
Yes.
And you are a motivational speaker, right?
Yes.
You are a life coach.
Yes.
Right? So what is this all about?
I
How
think,
you motivate
I think
people?
I'm a caffeinated octopus.
Octopus, right?
I'm a caffeinated octopus juggling a lot of duties and not duties, lot of passions.
Right.
No one asked me after I had a kid, okay, आप अपना career कैसे बना रहे हो? It was always about the kid. But then there was this, what do you say, self-driven motivation within me that no, I need to do something of mine as well and not lose my identity within the circumstances following.
Right, right.
So that's how I think I may be one of the persons जिसने पहले baby किया and then I chose my profession. That's how it happened. So my book writing came into picture because I could sit at home and write for 2 hours, 1 hour whenever my baby was sleeping. So it was very convenient for me and I was with the baby. The second thing I had this startup called Hapster. Hapster it was an e-commerce platform what we had built. It's a mobile based application and it was for all the ladies who were running their home business. I wanted to give an online store to them in the form of a app. And the app did very well. We got the idea did very well. I'm not talking about the app, but the idea did well. We got a grant from Startup India as well. And you know, I'll tell you, जब लोगों को पता चला ना कि मुझे grant मिला है, they asked, अच्छा कितना? I said 7 lakh. They said 7 lakh के लिए तो इतनी मेहनत कर रही थी. And I would tell them this thing कि see, आप पैसे कहीं से कमा के कहीं डाल दो के समझ आता है. But अगर आपके आइडिया में कोई बिलीव करता है, they are validating your idea, and especially government of India, they like your idea and they are ready to
तो कुछ तो
invest
है
in
idea
your
में.
idea.
तो आइडिया में कुछ तो दम
तो
है.
आइडिया में कुछ तो दम है. मेरा टाइम वेस्ट नहीं हुआ है. यू नो, आई हैव एक्चुअली पिच्ड माई सेल्फ एट लॉट ऑफ प्लेसेज एंड फाइनली वी हैव गॉट दिस ग्रांट. सो आई सेड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. मेरे को लगता है मेरा एक माइलस्टोन अचीव हो गया है. दो द स्टार्टअप डिड नॉट डू वेल आफ्टर दैट.
Why you think it didn't work well? क्या
So
हो
the
गया था?
customer segment what we had were the ladies. Ladies को एक मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन यूज करवाना विदाउट
difficult.
एनी सिक्योरिटी रिस्क्स एंड घर पे सब डरा देते हैं. आई सीन लेडीज को, ये डाउनलोड मत करना, ये लिंक पे क्लिक मत कर देना, पैसे चले जाएंगे.
तो अभी तो ऐसे चल ही रहा है.
It
because
happens.
yeah, it's
It's
now it's happening.
Cyber
right?
crime is so much
Cyber
there.
crime is so much there.
उनको मेरा जो कन्वर्जन रेट था बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया था. द अमाउंट वॉज टू मच, पर कन्वर्जन रेट वॉज टू मच फॉर मी. सो आई कुडंट मैनेज दैट. एंड प्लस द टाइम इट रिक्वायर्ड, एज आई टोल्ड यू कि मेरी टीम बनाने में मेरे को बहुत टाइम लग रहा था. सो आई गेव इट अ बैक सीट. आई लेफ्ट इट एट द राइट मोमेंट. आई डिड नॉट टेक माई ईगोज इन पिक्चर. नहीं, ये तो मैं चला के दिखाऊंगी. नो,
this is a good sign for an entrepreneur.
Yes, absolutely.
Right.
You should
You
know
have to- you have to know when to
You have
exit.
to know when to exit.
Yeah,
Yes.
exit
And how
route
to
up-
exit.
yeah.
Are your resources in picture? Like how much money you've invested? Have you got it back? So once all that was taken care of, I decided to exit.
Right.
And my second venture was something which I wanted to do as per my kids' availability.
Right.
And that's how the play area came into picture. Because when I was doing Hapster, I used to go to play areas and let
Right.
my daughter play. And मैं वहाँ बैठ के अपना काम करती थी.
It's better than giving your
And
daughter a mobile phone than to
I said,
put her
please
in the play
And then
house.
I'm thinking in a play area, यार मैं क्यों नहीं play area खोल लेती? Because what I am facing right now as
You
a
are
mom,
an entrepreneur. जिधर
I
आपको
would find a problem and I would start with the solution.
Yes, serial entrepreneur, right? Excellent. So, what about this play area? It's working right now. It's
Yes,
still
yeah.
on.
So this
right.
play area is in downtown Mall, Calcutta. It's in the name of Giggles. It's doing well. We wanted कि थोड़ा अलग टाइप का प्ले एरिया हो, नॉट द यूजुअल वो सॉफ्ट प्ले एरिया में बच्चे को जाओ बेटा जानवर
खेलो।
बन जाओ अंदर.
वैसे
Nothing
नहीं,
like
हाँ.
that. We wanted them to channelize and focus upon what activity they are doing. So the staff is trained very well. My staff, Touchwood, is doing well. That they are actually sitting with the kid and asking, okay, what do you want to play? आपको कार्ड गेम खेलना है, बोर्ड गेम खेलना है, आपको प्ले प्रिटेंड खेलना है. They will play doctor with them, which is very seldom you see anywhere. So now I take my kid to the play area and I say,
Which
बेटा
is
डॉक्टर
missing,
डॉक्टर
which is
खोलो.
missing, हाँ.
Yes, खेलो
Which is
वहाँ पे.
missing because आज के तारीख
Absolutely.
में पेरेंट्स बच्चे को मोबाइल फोन
मोबाइल
देके
दे
बोलते
देते
हैं कि
हैं.
भाई तू जो
Exactly.
इच्छा खेल ले बट
हाँ.
मेरे पास तंग मत कर.
True,
right.
true.
So you are actually bringing back the old time
Yes.
to this new generation
Yes,
because
yes,
old time में
yes.
उनको नानी मिल जाती थी,
Yes,
दादाजी मिल जाते
yes.
थी, स्टोरी सुनाते
हाँ.
थे.
आपको 90s की बर्थडे पार्टीज याद हैं? आई डोंट नो आपको 90s की बर्थडे पार्टी में क्या होता था.
100%.
हम लोग जाते थे वहाँ पे म्यूजिकल चेयर खेलते थे, पासल द पासल खेलते थे, एंड वो स्ट्रीमर्स होती थी, बलून होते थे, वो कूदने फादने वाली वो सब गेम खेलते थे, नूडल्स होते थे खाने में, होममेड केक होता था, सब कुछ वैसा ही है. गिगल्स में हम 90s का थीम फॉलो करते हैं. कल हमारे यहाँ पे बर्थडे पार्टी हुई थी जिसमें लेडीज ने भी म्यूजिकल चेयर खेला था.
Okay.
So for us it's a very big what do you say an achievement.
Engagement. It's an engagement. It's a human
Plus,
to human
it's a compliment.
engagement.
Yes,
Right.
that's ladies are also playing. They are playing spoon and lemon race. They are playing with the
Interesting, हाँ,
pom-poms.
जो
Very interesting.
पुराने जमाने का जो
हाँ,
गेम
हाँ.
था तो
So,
वो एंगेजमेंट आ
Yes,
रहा है.
and I've not seen people use mobile in my play area. मैंने वहाँ किताबें भी रख दी हैं. आके मतलब मैं बहुत जल्दी उसको नो मोबाइल जोन बनाने वाली थी, बट समहाउ आई हेल्ड माय हॉर्सेस की ज्यादा हो जाएगा.
ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, हाँ. But you
But,
can try it out. You can try it
yes,
out because
absolutely.
people will sometime get fed up.
Yes.
अभी what you are bringing in is human to human connection.
Yes,
अभी क्या हो रहा है कि human and technology.
Yes.
AI आ रहा है.
Yes,
उसके
yes.
बाद तो वाइफ भी नहीं लेंगे तो
हाँ.
AI से ऑर्डर दे
हाँ.
देंगे कि मुझे ऐसे वाइफ चाहिए. जब तंग करेगा उसको ऑफ कर दो. So this is what
हाँ.
is
This
coming
is
in
what
the
is
future,
coming
right?
up.
So
Yeah,
everything
yeah,
is
yeah.
technology driven.
Yeah,
So what you are
yeah.
trying to do is trying to retain our whole
Retain.
heritage and
Yes,
culture.
yes,
Absolutely
yes.
fabulous.
Thank
Incredible.
you, thank you.
So we have spoken about your service. We have spoken about your author journey, your business. Now I want to speak, which is very interesting. I want to know modeling.
Yeah.
Huh? You are a model.
Yes,
Right? So
yes.
you tried your hand in that as well.
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Back in 2017, मैं पोरबंदर में थी. पोरबंदर आप अगर एक जगह बोलो गांव टाइप था जहाँ पे वो गाड़ियाँ भी नहीं चलती थी, छकड़े चलते थे. सो यू नो व्हाट इज द छकड़ा? छकड़ा आगे एक बाइक होती है और पीछे एक कार्ट होती है
उसको लेके जाती है.
तो
हाँ.
टक, टक, टक,
बहुत
टक, टक,
डेंजरस
टक,
होता है.
हाँ,
हाँ,
तो
राइट
वो
राइट.
चलता था वहाँ
वो
पे.
कभी ब्रेक नहीं लगाते.
ब्रेक नहीं लगता
अब
वहाँ
मैं
पे.
उसको देख के ना मैं गाड़ी को साइड कर देता हूँ, उसको जाने देता हूँ पहले.
तो वहाँ छकड़े
Right.
ही चलते थे. आई वाज
Right.
एट दैट प्लेस
राइट
जहाँ पे लाइट जाती थी 9 to 5.
राइट.
ऐसी जगह थी मैं.
हाँ.
तो वहाँ से आई वाज वर्किंग कोस्ट गार्ड में थी मैं उस टाइम पे. आई वाज अ लॉजिस्टिक्स ऑफिसर वहाँ पे. तो मैं सैटरडे संडे हमारा बहुत फ्री होता था एंड आई वुड जस्ट कीप थिंकिंग कि क्या करें, क्या है जिंदगी में, करना क्या है. तो आई वाज अ टेक savvy पर्सन. IT कर रखी थी तो थोड़ा बहुत तो नेट अब चलता था. सो नेट पे आई सॉ दिस नोटिफिकेशन एंड इट कम्स अप एंड मिसेस इंडिया 2018 registrations open. एंड बीइंग इन सर्विस आप ऐसी जगहों में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर सकते.
You have to take the permission.
Yeah, you take permission, NOC.
Right.
So I applied and मेरा finalist में हो गया. And then I said, oh God, ये तो हो गया. मैं तो मतलब मजाक में संडे को करा एंड नेक्स्ट संडे आई थिंक वो 2-3 उन्होंने वो चीज़ें दी थी करने के लिए. आप गांव में जाओ, ये करो, वो करो. गांव तो था ही हमारा. सब कुछ करके एंड आई वेंट एंड जब हो गया दे सेड ओके नाउ यू हैव टू रिपोर्ट टू दिल्ली ऑन डेट 18 अप्रैल आई थिंक उस टाइम पे था. And I said, oh, ये क्या हो गया, मतलब now what am I supposed to do? So I went to my commanding officer, my boss, and I told him, sir, I want to apply for this Mrs. India, so and so. So he would say, he told me, यार क्या कर दिया, मतलब ये क्या कर दिया, ये क्या हो गया. So he said, ठीक है, we'll get headquarters से permission, let's see, because that was one of the first cases जो हुआ था. So they sent a letter to Delhi, Coast Guard headquarters. एंड जब वहाँ पे लेटर पहुँचा तो हाहाकार मच गई थी. हाउ कैन वी सेंड अ लेडी ऑफिसर फॉर अ ब्यूटी पैजेंट तो काफ़ी केस चला वो 1-2 महीने, तुम ये जस्टिफिकेशन लिख के देना मामा, ये करके देना, वो करके, सर क्या है. एंड देन आई वॉज पुट इन अ मेस क्या होता है, एक ऑफिसर्स मेस होता है. ऑफिसर्स मेस आपका जहाँ पे जितने भी सिंगल ऑफिसर्स होते हैं उनका अकोमोडेशन होता है, देन जहाँ पे लोग खाना खाते हैं टुगेदर. सो इट्स अ ह्यूज मेस, एवरी स्टेशन हैज़ अ मेस. तो वहाँ बनाने के लिए भेज दिया मुझे कि इसको अंदर से वो करो, डेकोरेट करो एंड उसका इंटीरियर्स करो. सो आई वॉज एक्चुअली स्टैंडिंग इन द सन फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग टू इवनिंग एंड मैं पूरी 4 हो गई थी बहुत ज़्यादा. एंड देन जस्ट 1 week बिफोर द इवेंट आई गॉट अ NOC
Okay.
कि बेटा जाओ
अभी.
अब पैजेंट कर लो.
And then you went.
And then I was looking at myself in the mirror. I said, anywhere I don't look like a beauty pageant finalist. Because I was my color had become totally dark and बिल्कुल tan हो गई थी मैं. I didn't know what to do, क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. So I said, sir मुझे छुट्टी दे दो 4 दिन. Let me scrub myself and see if something happens. So he gave me छुट्टी. एंड फिर फाइनली आई पार्टिसिपेटेड. वहाँ जाके भी द जर्नी वॉज नॉट, आई डोंट से इट वॉज वेरी स्मूथ बिकॉज इट वॉज अ कम्प्लीटली न्यू प्लेस एंड ऑल द लेडीज़ वर देयर. हम तो लेडीज़ को मैम करके बुलाते थे. तो उनके साथ कम्पीट करना वॉज अ डिफरेंट बॉल गेम ऑल टुगेदर. आई वॉज कॉलिंग मैम टू एवरीवन. कहते मैम मत बोलो यार, डोंट कॉल अस मैम. हाँ, हाउ डज इट, आई सेड आई डोंट नो हाउ टू बी इन दिस एटमोसफेयर. धूप नहीं देख सकते आप, मॉडलिंग ही करे जा रहे हो, टीचिंग यू हाउ टू डू कैट वॉक. आई सेड आई एम नॉट डूइंग इट यार, बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया है ऑल दोस. But it was a very good experience. So once I finished that, after that I started getting a lot of modeling offers.
Right.
But again I couldn't go because मेरे पास NOC नहीं थी. And I still
सोचा कि नौकरी छोड़ देते.
नौकरी छोड़ नहीं मतलब नौकरी तो छोड़ने का नहीं आया मुझे. But हाँ, 1.5 year I had almost to leave service.
Right.
तो मैंने कहा ठीक है चलो अभी कुछ कर नहीं सकते.
So the next pageant that you own is Mrs. India?
That was Mrs. India was one pageant only.
Right.
I did. Right. After that, I was called as a jury member for Miss Mavin beauty pageant, which was in Calcutta only.
Right.
So
the Queen of Substance.
The Queen of Substance wala.
Right.
So
what is this
there.
all about? Queen of Substance.
Queen of Substance was the same. So 2018 wala pageant tha, that was Mrs. India Queen of Substance, which I had participated in. And after that, directly I went for jury in 2022.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what next? What is your plan?
Next plan is I just want to keep going like this. Maybe I have a 4th book coming up.
So do you have any mentor in life who mentors you?
Okay, so down the line, I'll tell you, when I was changing professions, I never had any mentor. And that's why I had a lot of time. Took a lot of time to adjust to the transition from defense to entrepreneurship.
Right.
I took a lot of time. You know, there were a lot of protocols. There was a lot of maintenance work which was done in the organization, Indian Coast Guard. However, when I went into entrepreneurship, I was just sitting with one laptop and me and the internet.
Right.
I had almost 50 odd people working under me in the organization. Over here, I had none. So that transition, जहाँ पे आपको प्रिंट आउट के लिए भी खुद जाना पड़ रहा था, इट टुक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम फॉर मी टू एडजस्ट टू द
So do you believe in destiny?
I believe in destiny and
Or you believe in hard work?
I believe in both.
You believe in both.
I believe in
Destiny?
destiny. I'm making it work.
Right.
And I believe in hard work.
Okay.
I am a person who would, put my head down and
In my
work.
book, I have written one line, which is very famous, that destiny is not a matter of chance, but a matter of choice.
Yes.
What you choose. See, when we see your journey, or when you see your journey, whatever you have chosen
Yeah.
have given you an outcome.
Yes.
Starting from your leaving the first IT job
Yes.
to joining an Indian
Yes.
Coast
I
Guard.
think you should
right?
know what you want.
Yes, that is very
To be
important.
very frank enough,
Very frank.
you should know what you want. Lot of people, they come to me, क्या ज़रूरत है यार? Like क्या ज़रूरत है? Why are you burning the midnight oil? Why are you writing late at night till 12 o'clock? And I didn't have an explanation to them. I said, you will not understand. You first be there in my shoes and you'll understand. Why am I doing it? Because it's the passion which drives you. It's I just love putting my head down and just doing my work. 3 years, I have just done this. Put my head down and work. Put my head down and work. I've never tried for any PRs. I've never tried for any. I'm sitting here after good about 5 years of work and
Right.
and talking to you.
Right.
I'm constantly filling my resume with left, right, center, whatever I'm doing, you know, and I'm working hard for it. I'm not putting my ego ahead and saying कि भाई करा धरा कुछ नहीं and आके बैठ गए. No, it doesn't happen like that.
कर्म करना तो पड़ेगा.
काम करना पड़ेगा,
Right.
and that's how you people start recognizing you for your work. So recognition was never a part of my plan. I was thinking कि नहीं भी recognize हुआ चलेगा. But you know, it's very tough to have a
But
perseverance.
since you manage so many things simultaneously,
Yeah.
I just want to know one secret recipe of yours, how you detox yourself. Because your mind is having so many things,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
In one hand, you have to manage your daughter,
Yes.
you have to manage your family,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
You are an entrepreneur,
Yes.
you are an author,
Yeah.
you are going to participate as a speaker for some
Yes.
of the motivational
Yes.
concert or session, right? So how you manage? Because you need some me time as well.
Yes, I take my me time.
How?
My me times are Hindi movies,
Hindi movies.
old Hindi movies.
Old
I
Hindi
love
movies,
them because
right.
they don't make any sense.
They
So-
don't make any sense.
So when you're looking at screen, you know, you're blind by your brain and आप बस देख रहे हो.
They take you to the
They
fantasy.
take you to a fantasy world
yeah.
and you're not answerable anywhere.
कुछ होता है.
कुछ होता
तुम
है.
नहीं
No,
समझोगे.
उससे भी
उससे भी
पुरानी.
पहले, उससे
I
भी
love
पहले.
watching
अच्छा.
60s, 70s
उसी-
की movie.
उसमें तो और भी कुछ.
Those are my
कुछ
deep
भी नहीं
thoughts.
होता
कुछ
था.
भी नहीं होता था. Even if you miss half an hour, you're sleeping
That's a
and you get
fantasy.
up.
That's a fantasy.
And you say,
That's-
oh my god, अभी तक इतना ही पहुंचा है. हाँ, I know the story. So I watch all these movies to detox. Plus so I am not a social media person इतना. I don't like sharing my private moments like, you know, आज मैं अपनी daughter को लेके पार्क गई,
हाँ,
खचाक.
खचाक.
No, it doesn't happen like that.
हाँ.
When I'm there in the moment, I'll be there in the moment and
Okay.
enjoy that moment.
तो वो आप नहीं करते
वो
सोशल
मैं नहीं
मीडिया. It's a
करती.
very interesting aspect.
मैं वो
I
नहीं
just
करती.
I
And
just
I
want
don't
to know
want to
from
be
your
in that-
side.
I don't want to
Because
be
आज
in
तो
that
हम
loop.
लोग देखते हैं कि कुछ भी आज हम लोग ये because I was telling yesterday to all my employee अगर शाहजहां 2024 में होता तो वो ताजमहल तो बना था जरूर बना था.
But इतनी PR करता ना
नहीं
उसकी.
पीआर नहीं पीआर तो दूसरी बात है बट मुमताज का जो वो अभी जो मोन्यूमेंट है इनसाइड वो ऐसे हाथ में होता हाथ ऐसे करके करना पड़ता था बिकॉज वो तो अभी तो हाथ सबका ऐसे ही है. आई थिंक देयर विल बी सम सॉर्ट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम इन द आर्म.
Yeah, very soon we'll
very
maybe
soon, yeah.
see one hand
Yeah,
like
yeah.
oh.
कुछ-
I'll tell you one incident. Abhi just 2 weeks back, I went for my daughter's annual function. And all of a sudden, the moment she came on stage, I took my phone and I'm recording and I'm watching like this. And I realized, what am I doing? I said, ये क्या कर रही हूँ मैं? I put my phone down and I said, I'm here to enjoy. वरना मैं किसी से वीडियो मंगवा लेती. मुझे वीडियो ही देखनी होती तो. So every time I think there's a constant check on yourself कि तुम कर क्या रहे हो? You know, this
पहले
is
तो
not.
कैमरा यूज होता था to keep the memory alive.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
Now it's not memory. You'll never get back to those pictures and see them.
वो फेसबुक आपको रिमाइंडर देता है.
हाँ, कि ये
Reminder,
हुआ
भाई,
था 1 साल पहले.
हाँ 3 साल पहले आप ये थे अभी
Yes.
अब ये हो
Yeah,
देखो
yeah.
क्या आप ज्यादा टाइम अभी सोशल मीडिया में दे रहे हो कि नहीं दे रहे हो.
So that is my me
Right.
time. My
Right.
me time is not taking pictures. 1-2 pictures ठीक है ऊपर नीचे I'll take, but then otherwise my me time is being present at the moment. When I'm with my daughter, I'll go back right now after this, be with my daughter for 1 hour, and I know I have to get her
Right.
do skating.
Right.
So that is my work, and I'm not taking any pictures. And you see in the worst clothes. Like I'm so dressed up right now, but you see me in the worst clothes. कि भाई pajama पहन लिया, t-shirt. No, I'm invisible.
So
I
you
don't wanna be
also play some of the sports or something
there.
like
Yes,
that?
I do play badminton.
Okay, badminton. Okay,
Yeah.
and anything else? No?
I like swimming also. I run as well, not much,
Right.
not like my husband, but yeah, I do. He runs quite a lot. So
It's a wonderful conversation with you.
Thank
and I
you.
think it's a wonderful story.
thank you.
Any
Thank
message you
so
want to
much.
give to the youth? Any message from your journey?
Yeah, one message I would like to give is to both women and men that just cut the crap out of your life, you know. And when I'm talking about crap, stop gossiping. If you have 1 hour of time in your hand and you want to exercise, don't go for walks with your friends.
Right.
Exercise, go to the gym, hit the gym, listen
Right.
to music, read a
Right.
book, because that is the basic of a human life, you know, and we are peeling away from it.
Right.
So that's why our brains don't work. And that's why we are on reels and social media, because we
Right.
are just whiling off time.
Right.
So if you want to do a lot in life and you want that, you know, जिंदगी में कुछ करना है and अपने पेरेंट्स को, अपने फैमिली को प्रूव करना है, just cut the crap out of your life. That's it. And you will see a difference.
Don't sweat on small things.
Don't sweat on small things.
That is very important in
Yeah,
life.
absolutely.
Thank you. Thank you for being our guest.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thanks
very
a lot.
much. Thank you.
Thank you.